Revelation May 14, 2012. I experienced an earthquake that was strong. It was like we were waiting for another one. I heard it was in the North Pacific. In the dream I wondered if I heard North America or North Pacific. In the first dream I am in the US. I asked if the US was in the North Pacific and was told yes. June 19, 2012. Two very strong earthquakes struck the remote and sparsely populated region of Alaska. The quake was also felt on the island of Shamaya, where the US military operates an air station.